Hey everybody, it's me, Zach, and I'm back again with another mukbang. Alright everybody, today I'm just eating these ramen noodles. It's just chicken ramen noodles with some chicken sausage in it. And one thing that I did differently this time is it kind of seemed like you all thought I was seasoning my ramen too much. And so I'm elevating my cooking by just not seasoning it at all. Okay? So we're gonna just do a little mukbang where I eat this. It's very hot, it just came out. But in the meantime, well, I'm gonna probably let that cool off a little bit. In the meantime, I've had these for a long time. This is just some pickled baby carrots. I do like baby carrots and I like pickles, so I thought it's probably gonna be I would probably like that, but I've been just sitting on them. They've just been in my house, so I'm just let me just try some. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good. You know, it's so weird because when you eat a pickle, it's kind of usually sour. You know, I mean, I think you would think it's sour. But it's not really that sour. It's like corn. I love it so much. So I'm gonna just set it to the side so I can eat some of that later. You know, love it so much. I don't want to eat it all in one sitting. But yeah, so I am just gonna eat this. I just figured, you know, I love to just eat food on camera, not because I need any kind of certain kind of attention or these videos don't usually do that well for me. I mostly just like to eat on camera with folks because it just helps me. It helps me with everything. With everything. So wait, let me do this. Okay. So yeah, this is just chicken sausage and the chicken seasoning. Oh my god, so good. Let me just get some sausage. So good. So good. So yeah, I just want to let you all know that Wifey is actually so thoughtful. She drove all the way to Chicago this weekend. I don't know if you saw on my Twitter or my Instagram, but Wifey came all the way to Chicago and picked me up and gave me a ride in her car that she bought. It was so nice of her. You know, it was so thoughtful because literally 2-3 months ago, I said in a video oh, I want Wifey to drive me around in this new car. It looks so nice. Ooh, this unseasoned ramen is a little spicy. A little spicy. Ooh, you know, maybe I've just been seasoning it too much, and that's maybe y'all are right. Maybe I just need to not put so much seasoning. But yeah, so she did that, and then I just know the haters are a little concerned. I know the haters are a little concerned that I'm just out here riding around without a seatbelt on, and I would never, first of all, really value my life, my safety. And it's also so weird that y'all come up with these conspiracy theories about me. It's just you're trying to tell me how to feel. Also, if you hear the breathing, it's just very congested right now, okay? And since I'm eating, I'm putting food into my gape hole. Since I'm doing that and I've been congested, I'm just breathing heavy. So yeah, since there's all these like conspiracies that I like can't wear a seatbelt, I also did take a photo just to prove the haters wrong, even though it's like so silly that I should even have to do that, honestly. I mean, like, what other YouTuber has to do it? Like, literally nobody's asking like Trisha Paytas, like, can you wear a seatbelt? Nobody's asking Trisha that. Like, so why do people, nobody's going to learn to be fearless or whatever and asking her why she can't wear a seatbelt. So yeah, I just always think it's so funny that there's so many conspiracies about me. But if you want to ask me more questions about conspiracies, like, even though I think it's so silly and like I could just not give any of it the attention, like go follow me on Instagram. I'll do like a Q&A or something, and I can give attention to all of them. Ooh, honestly, I wasn't expecting just the chicken seasoning packet to be so spicy. But yeah, I did that. And you're here with me for it. I also just want to say, like, I've been loving these lately. Like, I love them so much. It's an adult Lunchable. It's like an adult Lunchable, okay? So it comes with Genoa salam. I think is that Genoa salam? I don't know. It's so good. I think it's the meat. White cheddar cheese and toasted rounds. So good. And I just want to try it. Like, literally, I love this so much. I have like 16 more of these in the fridge right now. Yeah. But I'm gonna finish this and then I'll finish eating my snack. But that's why I love doing mukbangs. I love doing mukbangs because, like, if I just sat down and did this by myself, like ate this by myself, this would have been gone 3 minutes. 3 minutes in. But you know what? Because you're all here now, it's taken 5 extra minutes. So it's really slowed me down. And it's just like, I get to not be alone while I eat. So good. Yo, I'm so mad at myself. How could I forget the Diet Coke? I'm glad I still have a snack left. Because I just love Diet Coke. Like, for real. I love a Diet Soda. It's so good. So yeah, if you've never had like an adult Lunchable before, basically you take the little toasty, you take the salam, and you take the cheese. Honestly, it's such a good combination. Like, we've really been loving these. Also, I wanted to check in with you all about something. I'm going to see Twice this weekend. They're a K-pop band. I just wanted to check in because, like, I'm going to be flying to go see them. Is it, like, weird for me to bring my scale with me? Like, should I bring my scale? Do you think I should bring it, like, to weigh myself while I'm in New York City? I don't know. You let me know what you think. Should I do that? Let me know in the comments. I'll probably have already decided by then, but, you know, I do love engagement on my videos. So, answer that question anyways. Alright, I got one last little cracker cheese sandwich. Ready? Here it is, just for you all. Look at it. We can share it. We can share it. Ooh. So good. Again, if it sounds like I'm breathing heavy, it's because I'm congested, okay? All right, well, y'all, that's all I have time for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's your first time on my channel, what a way to start. Make sure to subscribe down below. Hit the bell button so you get notifications every single time I post a new video. I also got this new Whoever Whatever merch, so make sure to go check it out down below in a pinned comment. Leave a comment, hit like, click share, follow me on all my social media, and have a wonderful day. Bye!